My name is Lars Håkansson, working for JBT, and my background is I worked as a chef for many years, and I also do customer tests, trying to help out with technical problems for our customers. The machine we have behind us is a contact cooker, and the idea with that one is that we put a product in between two Teflon belts and cook it and get a really nice color on the product. Also, we close the surface very quickly. That means that we keep the moisture, fat inside the product, and we get a really nice color and moist product out of the machine. So the benefits here is, of course, the product and the product yield, but also that it's very quick to cook. A burger takes approximately 1 minute to cook. The product we can run in this machine is more or less everything from bacon, nuggets, chicken breasts, burgers, fish fillets, vegetable burgers, etc.